Here is our awesome hostess for budget meals, a meal under $5. Oh my gosh, she's an awesome channel. Please go check her out. She does wonderful content. She is such a wonderful friend to all of us, and she joins in with so many great creators. Budget meals under $5. Oh my gosh, this is a great video and a great challenge to all of us to try to see if we can put a meal together for $5 or less. And it's not easy, and there's only 2 of us. So we have dinner for 2, and it's still hard. So go check out this awesome channel and check out all her great recipes and so many great content on her channel. Also, don't forget to check out the playlist. A lot of us join in, and we all work hard to put something together for under $5. Check out what we all do, and now let's see what Grandma did. I only do budget meals for 2 because there's just me and my husband. So let's go see what Grandma did for budget meals under $5. Oh yeah, let's see what Grandma did. And I did a little twist, something a little different. How you can use leftovers from one meal to make a different meal for the next day. You know I like doing that. And we do a lot of posts like that on this channel. Because we have to watch what we spend our money on because food prices keep going up, and up. Now there's only 2 of us, so I don't know if you could use this same theory with a family of 4 or not. But it does give you an idea what you could do. And each one of these meals was under $2.50 each. So I thought we did pretty good. What do you think? Well, sit back, drink your tea, and see what we're going to share today. Good afternoon. We're ready for budget meals. Oh yeah, $5 or less. Now I do meals for 2 because there's just me and my husband, and we try to do the best we can. Okay, let's break down what our meals are going to be. I'm going to do 2 different meals in 2 different days. I bought a pound of bacon for $4.99 for a pound. I got a tomato for 30 cents. I bought a loaf of Wonder Bread for $3.19, and I bought 1 avocado. So that was a total shopping for 2 different meals for 2 different days. They're basically the same thing with a little twist. Now the first one, I cooked all my bacon on a cookie sheet and put it in the oven. As you can see, there's not a lot of shrinkage when you do this. The bacon stays flatter and the bacon cooks more even in the oven. And best of all, the cleanup is so much easier. This is how I always cook my bacon. But it makes that bacon seem like it stretches further because the bacon stays laying flat. You can cook it as much as you want or as little as you want. My husband likes crispy bacon, so you can see we did really crispy bacon here. And this is what he likes. And here is only 2 slices of bacon. That's all it is 2 slices. Can you believe it? I know I can hardly believe it myself. And then we got a tomato. This is 1 small tomato I sliced up. It's a lot of tomato here for 2 sandwiches. So you're going to feel really full, and you're not going to feel like you've done without or, oh, we're having such a small amount of food. There's plenty of food here. Your stomach will be full when you're done. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go put these tomatoes on my bacon. As you can see, this bacon is very generous. It looks really full, and it's only 2 slices because, like I said, we baked it in the oven. I don't know if any else do that, but that's what we do. Then we put our tomatoes on top, as you can see, and there's 4 slices of tomato for each sandwich, so it's still very generous too. Now our second sandwich we're going to make the next day, it's going to have avocado on it, and this one I used the same bacon, the leftover bacon. I didn't use a tomato, and I used the same Wonder Bread. So the only thing different is I didn't use tomatoes and I put avocado on.
And the avocado was $1 for one, and that is a half of avocado. And so that's how we did it. There was only about, what would that be? About a 70 cents difference in cost that we added to making the second sandwich. Now you can season it any way you want. I season mine with lemon pepper and pepper flakes because I like really spicy food. And that's what makes it also taste different. If you don't get bored that everything is the same, we put avocado on it, we put more flavoring on it, and it tastes really, really good. Let me know what you think, because we're trying to get as many meals as we can on a budget. And these are 2 more slices of bacon on our avocado and our toast. I thought we did pretty good, and that sandwich is really covered in avocado. So your stomach is going to be full, and you cut it in half. You put your doggone potato chips in the center, and I had a big bag of potato chips, and that will be enough potato chips for quite a few meals. So you don't have to overeat. Keeps you eating a certain amount of food where you feel full, but you don't feel stuffed. And that's important also. And I thought we did pretty good. What do you think? We were pretty good about keeping everything under $5 for each meal. This was 2 different days. It could be lunch or dinner on Tuesday and on Wednesday. I thought we did pretty good. Leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. We'll have something new and different for next week. Please go check out the playlist and see what everyone else came up with. These are simple, easy meals, but keeps us in our budget and makes sure that our food bill doesn't get too high. That is the best thing about thinking before you buy. I knew I could make 4 sandwiches out of a pound of bacon, and it's very full, and an avocado would go for me and my husband half and half. I thought we did pretty good. What do you think? Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Because we want to make our meals nourishing and healthy. Look at how good and colorful this looked.